Welcome to this masterclass for senior technicians and engineering supervisors. You possess years of hands-on expertise and solve real-world problems. This video will show you how to turn generative AI into your highly efficient assistant. Traditional tools like PLCs follow exact, rigid rules. In contrast, generative AI calculates the most logical next words based on vast data patterns. Think of ChatGPT not as a calculator, but as a knowledgeable, patient apprentice that needs your specific rules and intent to be effective. Treat this interface like a structured workbench. Use the sidebar to track your history and always keep different projects in separate chats by clicking the New Chat button. The input box is where you provide your prompts, and the chat window is where your apprentice responds. Follow two golden rules. First, security. Never input confidential data. Generalize your details and treat the AI like a public forum. Second, accuracy. Verify everything. AI can hallucinate, so remember that the human is always the final authority. Stop using ChatGPT like a search engine. Instead, use structured instructions. Apply the RCTC model. Define the role, the context, the specific task, and the constraints to guide the AI effectively. The quality of the output depends entirely on the precision of your input. Avoid generic search engine-style queries. Instead, provide detailed, context-rich prompts to receive structured, prioritized diagnostics tailored to your specific equipment. If the first result isn't perfect, do not start over. Speak to the AI like an apprentice. Use refinement prompts to adjust constraints or redirect the focus until the output matches your exact field conditions. You can also translate raw technical facts into professional communication in seconds. Provide your messy shorthand notes and let the AI draft a clear, professional email for your management team. Leverage AI to draft baseline maintenance schedules, sequence complex jobs like motor replacements, or estimate resource allocation. It is a powerful tool for planning and organizing technical tasks. Simulate a diagnostic partner. By interpreting dense error codes with AI, you can avoid digging through hundreds of pages of manuals and prevent diagnostic tunnel vision. Paste disorganized text to quickly extract actionable steps, sort data, or format your raw technical knowledge into a formal standard operating procedure. Set up your profile once using custom instructions. Force the AI to permanently focus on safety, efficiency, and direct communication to save time on every subsequent prompt. Before implementing any AI-generated procedure, run it through the assess routine. Check accuracy, safety, site constraints, expert logic, simplicity, and finally, sign off to take professional ownership. Use this synthesis table as your daily quick reference. Whether for office emails or technical execution, remember that you are the expert. AI is there to eliminate bottlenecks and preserve knowledge. To conclude, the human is always the final authority. You are now ready to safely integrate AI into your daily workflows and focus your energy on high-level problem-solving and field leadership.